If you want to see Temu and eBay get in the ring again, stick around. Alright, so let's see what we got going on now. And by the way, this is all taking place on November the 5th. Just FYI. Alright, so we have a Type C to HD cable. So a 4K UHD to Type C. That's cool. I think I remember getting this because I wanted to hook the monitor that I have up there to the camera here. You can see what's going on up there right here. And I don't have to use my watch. That's awesome. So, let's see what we got next. Alrighty, so next. Oh yeah, see now this is a cool deal that I just saw and on Temu, and I had to get it. Not because I want a purse, because I wanted a gift. But let's see what this is. This is kind of cool, I think. Open it up. I think, yeah, open it up. And we should be able to open it up. Oh, there we go. So, now we've opened it up. And it's sealed on the bottom. Can anybody guess what this is? Well, it's a gift, but because it was just really cool. Close it back up again. And you pop the lid. Not so easily. Back on. There we go. A coin purse. It's a coin purse. I thought it was so cool. Now it's not so easy to use, and I may put some graphite and maybe a little oil and stuff so it's easier to open and close and get shut again and everything. But for someone who deals with change a lot, this is a really, really cool factor thing. I hope it will hold up because I know someone who deals with change a lot, and I think she'll like it. I hope she will. So, that is another thing. And it's going to just get tucked away in a drawer here for another month or so. Alright, so let's see what's next. Alright, I don't know what this is. I don't have a clue. But I know I had stuff coming. Oh, I think I know what this is. I think I do know what this is. Let's look at it. This should be 5 somethings. Memory cards. So, you may not know, it may not even made it visible, but the camera right up there is recording with one of these. And it's recording in 4K, and I'm hoping that these will also work for 4K video, which is what I want to record everything in, so that for cropping, because you want to record in the highest resolution that your camera can record in. That way when you get in post and you're editing the video, you can crop it into a square format, a 1:1 format, or a, I forget what it is, a 3 to, maybe it's 3:9, maybe, but the vertical videos on YouTube, which are shorts, and the square ones are also shorts on YouTube. And also, I think it's vertical videos on like TikTok and just whoever the rest of them are. And so with a 4K video, you can actually crop it in to make those videos out of it. So that's why I film in 4K, and I need memory cards that will actually do that. And the super dupers don't seem to do it, which I've got these here, which are Extreme Pro Micro SDXC, which all the specifications says this card will work for 4K. It even says it will do 4K. It's a U3 V30. I can't read it, but I don't have my glasses, but I think that says V30. And these say V10. And I think that's the speed. But regardless, you put this in there and the video is always corrupted. You can't even watch it on the camera itself because it can't record it to the card fast enough to be a proper video. And only this card will do it, which I think is technically a slower card or video or card. So if you know something about these things, please comment and tell me, because I need help. So anyway, all right. Another box, but you're probably reading the description on the box right now. You guessed it, it's another camera adapter. Please tighten the screws before use. Huh? Okay. Why don't get it? That doesn't seem to move, but there is not a screw, there is a set screw, I guess you could call it, that is already tight. So I guess that's not what they're talking about, or maybe it is. So it is a FOTC adjustable M42 adapter. So this should go to, just make sure that it does fit the camera. And it does fit just fine. So this M42 NEX. So I guess that I can use M42 NEX lenses with the E-mount system. I don't even know what those lenses are, but I can use them. I do know that. So let's check out the next thing. Okay, so I did clean the sensor, and I cleaned the back here a bit, the eyeglass, or the whatever you call this, the viewfinder. That's it, viewfinder. Really didn't clean it any, but I don't intend to use it unless this went bad or something. But let's see, because I actually turned it to video, and so we're gonna, let's see, yeah. And so I've got a 28 to 70 zoom lens on here, and we're gonna, because the other one wasn't a wide angle, I couldn't get to even a 28 wide angle, so I'm hoping I can focus better, and maybe you can see the picture. And that's about as good as I can get it, but so it looks pretty doggone clear. So so I'm feeling better, because I don't see any artifacts, and here soon I'll shoot some videos here with this camera so we can see. lift up the screen, and it still works. Make sure it doesn't seem like there's any shorts in that. So we're in video mode, so let's just shoot video. Okay, so it seems to be working. I'm going to put it through some more paces. I did tell the seller, and I will honor my word, but I did tell the seller, so I need to put this through more, that I can confirm that it is fully functional like they advertised it to be. But it seems to be. So once I play with it some more and I shoot a video with it and it functions, then I told the seller that I would change my rating to a positive. But I do need to, and they can like it or not, I can't help it, but I will tell them that they have to in the future, because they have I think he has another camera, or she, or whoever. So anyway, I did tell them that, and I'm gonna cut that out because that doesn't sound right. Anyway, so I did tell them that I would change it to positive if the camera functioned like they said it would. Now, they need a lot to be desired to package this stuff better, and if if it is fully functional and I check everything out and it works, then I will change my rating of them, and I will insist that they properly package items, because a piece of cardboard and a piece of bubble wrap just randomly thrown in there, which they probably wrapped this up in the bubble wrap, but you didn't even tape it, and the box wasn't even securely taped shut. I'm surprised it didn't completely open, which it was partially open and could have easily fell out. So I'm going to tell them that you know, I can't give a good rating on shipping because it wasn't properly shipped, but I will give them a positive rating, as positive as I can honestly give, and it'll probably read something like item functions as described, and it'll be a positive rating. I can't really do much more than that, because the item literally is in worse beats and bungs and bangs than originally. So anyway, so that's it. This is good. It's a working deal, so I'm not upset about that until I've done some stuff on this to make sure that it does function. So all right, I definitely appreciate you guys spending your precious time here with me, because your time is important to me, just like it is to you. I thank you, and God bless.